Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the aromatic world of mutton ghee roast. Here is what you'll need for the ingredients. Half kg boneless mutton, 3 tablespoons of ghee, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon each of chili powder and coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now on to the spices that will elevate the dish. 10 dry red chilies, a mix of whole garam masala, 2 teaspoons each of fennel seeds, cumin seeds and coriander seeds, 6 cloves, 3 1-inch cinnamon sticks and 6 cardamom pods. Plus don't forget 2 big sized onions. Start by seasoning the mutton with salt, turmeric, ginger garlic paste. Cook it in a pressure cooker with 200 ml of water for 3 to 4 whistles until it's 80% done. Now let's infuse those incredible flavors. Heat a kadai, add dry red chilies and whole garam masala. Roast on a low flame until golden brown. The kitchen will soon be filled with an irresistible aroma. Allow the roasted mix to cool, then grind it into a fine powder. Set it aside for the magic later. Now heat 3 tablespoons of ghee in the same pan. Saute onions until golden brown. Then stir in ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric, chili powder, salt and coriander powder. Stir it up. Introduce the aromatic powder we prepared earlier. Add the partially cooked mutton. Adjust the spices and let it roast, covering lid for 10 minutes. Stir in between. Toss in handful of curry leaves for that extra flavor. Check the tenderness of mutton. It should be just right. Finish off with coriander leaves and garam masala. Your flavorful mutton ghee roast is ready to delight your taste buds. Enjoy this culinary delight. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking!